Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto S50 and let me show you how to activate developer option. First, enroll settings. Then find and select system, and as you can see, there is no developer panel here. So let's go back and activate it. Open about phone, scroll down, mark device, identifiers. Here you will notice build number. Tap on it 7 times. If you have some pattern, pin code, password, you will have to provide it. And then just go back, open system, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. So now you can smoothly use them however you like. To turn developer panel off, just unmark top indicator. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.